Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the daily chart of gold in front of us. And before I proceed, I just want to say that usually my videos come on Saturday for the coming Monday, but I got late because you can see a different background. Okay, I'm on vacation again. I'm on a short vacation. This time I have come to my native place, Assam, which is on the northeastern side of my country, India. Okay, my cousin is getting married. Okay, so I'll be here for 1 week. That's why I got late. Now let's look at gold. So the next big question is, okay, what is the trend of the market? Okay, whether gold is bullish or bearish, isn't it? Because on Friday we discussed about the possibility of upside, and we got the breakout also that we discussed. We got a nice clean move. We got a nice clean move that we discussed, and hope you guys made some good money also. But this move was really uh, out of syllabus. Out of syllabus, I won't say, because we discussed about the possibility of profit booking, and Fridays can be dangerous because of intense profit booking. Okay, so this was not out of syllabus, but yes, okay, this was okay, surprising. Okay, and hope you guys did not lose your account, because we discussed it before that okay, when profit booking comes, you need to be careful, and we got a breakout also that we wanted. Now, okay, let's discuss the trading opportunities for the next week. Okay, so as I said, okay, the next big question is, okay, what is the trend of the market? Okay, to understand the trend of the market, okay, I would like to at first take you to the option chain, because this particular data has been helping us a lot. Because when market was having no direction, this particular data okay showed that the options are decreasing, contracts are decreasing, means possibility of gold heading towards 4300. And now we can see that the contracts at 4400 are also reducing. Remember, I told you guys that okay, last week when we had a good number of contracts, 6,000 plus contracts, and we had addition of contracts, I told you guys that we need to observe this data carefully. If market really gets bullish, then maybe we will get an indication here. And now this thing is indicating that there is a possibility of market going up, market continuing the bull run. Why? Because the number of contracts are reducing, means the big guys are okay getting ready for the upside or the trend continuation. And if we look at the daily chart of gold here, okay, the daily chart of gold is also indicating that there is a possible okay upside, because market is constantly forming higher lows here. Okay, and if you look at the highs here, you can also see market is forming higher highs. So formation of higher highs and high lows indicate that market is bullish, at least technically. So technically, okay, we can expect that gold will be continuing the upside. But still, gold is full of surprises. We are retail traders. We cannot predict the market. We can just react, isn't it? So we can say that as long as gold is trading above 4250, we can consider the market to be bullish. Okay, now let's look at the trading opportunities. If you guys want to analysis or analyze the market on TradingView, and also okay trade from TradingView, you can open your account with the award-winning Vantage markets. You guys are knowing that Vantage market is a global brand. Okay, and it has more than 5 million registered users around the world. It's a multi-regulated broker, means it takes care of your hard-earned money. So if you are trading seriously, then obviously you deserve a very good platform. And if you're trading with an unregulated broker or tier 3 tier 4 broker, it's high time to change it, and you can consider opening an account with Vantage, because Vantage provides you the right experience and also the safety and security your capital deserves. And moreover, their mobile trading platform or this particular web platform, okay, from where you can directly trade, okay, are awesome. So feel free to open your account with Vantage if you're looking for a better option. You can also join our referral link, okay, through which you will also get access to our WhatsApp community as well. Feel free to join the link in the description. This is the 15 minutes chart of gold in front of us. So where is 4250, or the important level? The black line on the middle, okay, is the 4250 level. Means if market breaks this level, by Monday or Tuesday, we can expect that market is back inside the same old range and we will get a sideways or choppy market. Remember, last week was pathetic because market was turning the range. Yes, it will be pathetic again. But right now, we have a hope that market will be going up. So let's plan our trades accordingly. So first of all, the market opening. Market opening is going to play a major role here. During the closing hours, there was not much volume in the market. Okay, if market opens with low volume, means usual normal Monday market. So if market drops with low volume, means if you see the market is coming down with small candles, then we can expect market to take support around 4264, 4264. The blue line that we see here, okay, should act as a support, minor support, not a major one, but at least as a day trader, we can expect a bounce of 70 to 80 pips if market takes support. And that too depends on the volume. Small candles, we can expect the market to take support. Why small candles? Because see, the levels matter a lot. If we have a minor level, then you can expect that low volume will work. If there is a major level, then okay, we have the confidence that okay, the big guys are sitting there. In case of high selling pressure, also market will be able to hold it. But this is a minor support, so we can expect that it to take support, at least bounce once if market gets it. Okay. And in case market drops, for example, this particular level should only work once. Second time or third time, okay, market will be going down. If that happens, okay, we can expect the next support to be around 4240. Why 4240? Around 4240, 4241, 42. See, these levels work as zones. The dotted red line that we see here should act as a minor support where you can expect one bounce. The reason is the previous resistance will be working as support. The same price action concept that we have been following for ages. Okay, so after the market opening, if market comes down, these are the two levels where we can look for a buy position as a day trader. I am not suggesting any sell position here because the overall trend of the market was bullish, and for any sell position here we need volume. Without high selling pressure, okay, selling can be dangerous, it can be tricky, we may get trapped. So 4240 and 4265, 4264 are the two levels where we can look for a bounce. 4250 is also there. We can expect one bounce as a day trader as a psychological level. Technically we do not see here, but yes, psychological supports are also important sometimes. And goal to be bullish again, or goal to continue the upside, we need goal above 4355. Okay, right after the market opening, chances are very less that gold will be going for a breakout above 4355. Eventually during the day or after the US session, you can expect gold to be above 4355. But after the market opening, okay, as a day trader, you can expect a minor selling pressure around here, around 4322, 4324. Why? Because if we observe this particular portion of the market, you can see minor resistance, means one time selling possible here. So similarly around 432224 also one time selling you can expect. How much? 60 to 70 pips. Do not expect much, do not have high expectations, because the market is closed right now. We don't know how the market is going to open. Okay, so market opening will play a major role. Let's see how does the market open. If market stays like this, then we can expect that in the next few days market will be continuing down upside. If market breaks 4355, market will be heading towards 4400, 4450. Okay, and in case market surprises us and market comes below 4250, then we will see the pathetic old range again. Okay, so let's stick to the zones right now and let's wait for the market to open. Tomorrow I may not be able to record any video because we have the marriage ceremony. Okay, not my ceremony, my cousin's wedding ceremony. Okay, so I'll be busy. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.